You can easily sell your product and services using our e-commerce tool within a chatbot. So let's see how to build one over here. So here I'm in a demo account with this channel connected. So to locate or find your e-commerce tool, so go to the tool section right here, click on it, and in the tool section, if you scroll down, you will see the e-commerce module. So it says let customers to buy your products inside your bot. So let me open it. So here in the e-commerce module, you can actually import products using a CSV file, or you can connect your meta catalog, or even you can add any products manually as well. So let's see how to add a product right here. So here it asks for the name, short description, long description, those kind of things. So let me open Amazon over here and let me choose one product right here. So let me choose let's say open this one, choose this one. So let's see how to add this product on Amazon to the e-commerce module. So let me simply copy the name right here and paste it. So cut it, and here if you want the long description, you can simply add this one as like this, or you can come up with your own as well. And the pricing is here. So the price is listed is $10,999. So let me add the same price right here. It is 10.99. and if you want taxes, or if you want to add any sort of discounts, you can do that. And for the images, you can upload any sort of images, or you can simply add image from the link as well. So let's do the link. So if you click on it, and if you say copy image address, simple as that, and let me add image from link and paste it, we should see that image right here. And likewise, let me choose another image and let me copy image address and do the same thing for other few images as well. And let me do that for this one too. Add image. Alright, and let's add one more image. Let's add this one too and stop. Add image from link, paste it. Right, so here I've added the 4 images. And the inventory, so you can add any sort of ID or retail SKU, that's optional, and you can even track the inventory as well. So let's say you start with 100 quantity, and every time a sale happens, the quantity will reduce when it is out of stock. So you have the option to choose this one as well. Allow customers to purchase this product when it is out of stock. So if you untick, they won't be able to purchase. So here let's just put like 10 just for testing. And here you can add your SKUs as well. And here variants, so if you have different colors or size, you can add it. For now I don't want to add this one here. And add-ons, so here add products that client can easily buy as add-on. You can also give free products here. For example, a restaurant may give free drink options here. You must create a product before you use it as an add-on. So here you can add any sort of other products as an add-on. So here we have let's say if we have any sort of products over here. So here one more product in our e-commerce store. So here you can add this one as an add-on as well if you want. Otherwise you can simply remove that one as well. And here you can add any sort of tags. So tags will be helpful when they search for the products. So it will be used and it will return this products right here. So let me say chip bag sealer, and let's see what other tags we can add here. So let's say sealing machine, something like that. So let me add this one. Likewise, you can come up with your own tags as well. And here you can add your vendor, the rank, category, those kind of things. And here this product is searchable inside the bot. So if this is switched on, or if it is ticked, that means when a particular customer search for this kind of product right here, then it will show up for them. So let's keep as it is over here. And you can allow the user to add any sort of special request, and here you have this option as well. Use this product only as an add-on for other products. So let me use these settings over here and click save. So now we have 2 products on our product, and this one is tracked through the inventory as well. And here you can find the orders you are receiving, and you can even create any sort of coupons as well. So let me open the coupons over here, and here you can create the coupons, add any sort of a discount coupon, and here you can add the percentage, NT order, or special categories, special products, a lot of options over here. So I'm not going to create any sort of coupons over here. And here you can add your vendors as well. So if you have multiple vendors for your products, then you can actually add any sort of vendors, and when you create products you can actually choose those vendors as well. And here you can actually maintain different kind of product categories over here. So here in the categories you have the option to add different kind of categories along with the rank settings as well. And here the settings, so here in the settings you have different options, so you can even disable the ordering option and web shop product view. So if you want to sell through the web chat or through other channels, how the products looks like. And here you can even set the opening hours too. So if you want to set your own opening hours, then the customers will be able to order only during that particular time frame and search products. Here you can add your Facebook pixel and abandoned cart message. So let's say if a particular customer adds some sort of products in their cart, and if they don't buy, then this particular message will be automatically triggered over here. And here buttons in the product add to cart, share similar, and the image size allow customers to rate the orders and send a notification when the cart status changes. And that's the general settings. And payments, so here you can set the payments as PayPal or other payments over here. If you choose cash on delivery, then they won't need to pay, they can simply place the order and you can process the order, and after that they will be able to pay. And here you can set your currency and the currency position, simple, and other fees related to the sales, you can add it. And shipping, you can say deliver to the customer, pick up in store, or deliver to the customer or pick up in store. So here it says deliver to the customer, so let's choose this option, deliver to the customer or pick up in store. And here you have to add the address as well, so let me say test address. And here you can choose the shipping countries over here, so let me say deselect all and let's add United States only. And here default shipping country is this one, and delivery cost, so here you can set the delivery cost based on the location as well. So here if you choose a delivery cost, a flat rate cost to deliver the order to the customer's address will be applied every time. And the checkout page, you can use the default checkout, or you can actually come up with your own checkout page as well. And here minimum order value, so that they cannot actually process some orders if the minimum order value is met. And you can collect these kind of details when they actually place the order in the checkout page, for example by name, email address, phone number, state, province, and the zip code. So let me click save over here. So here actually we are done with the basic setup for this e-commerce module. So let's see how this actually works. So as I mentioned, these products can be easily searched through any sort of channels. For example, if a customer sends you a message Instagram DM saying I want to buy your green laser pointer, and it simply search for the product within this particular e-commerce tool, and it simply return this particular product to the customer. So let's see how this actually works. So let me open this on the Instagram channel, and let's say I want to buy your chip bag sealer. So I'm going to send this message, I want to buy your chip bag sealer, and let's see what happens. So since these products are searchable, it simply returned this particular product for the customer. As you see here, chip bag sealer, hot and seal with cutter and magnet, add to cart, and learn more. So here if I click on learn more, there should be an option for us to view the pictures and whatever the long description we have provided. And if I choose view pictures over here, they can view whatever the pictures we have uploaded right here. And let's say add to cart, and let's choose add to cart, and here it asks for the quantity, so they can enter the quantity or choose the quantity right here. So let's say I want to buy 2, and let's see what happens over here. It says added to the cart. Here they can simply check out, or they can view the cart as well. So let me simply choose checkout right here, and it should open a page within the Instagram app itself showing the checkout page. So this is the checkout page. Here the customers have to provide their name. So let me say Justin, and let me add the email as justin@gmail.com, and here the country. So we have actually selected only the customers from United States can only purchase. So if they try to select other countries, it's not possible. So let's simply go with those option, and here they can choose the state. So let's say California, San Francisco. So let's add some sort of address over here, 123 street, and zip code. I want to add some sort of random zip codes over here, and here if you want you can add your promo code as well. And here the product cost is 10.99, so if it is 2 it should be 21.98, and here we have set the delivery cost as 5 as well, so here it says 26.98, and choose this option, pay this one. Let me choose not now and place the order, and here it says thanks for the order, we have just sent you the receipt as well. So here if you open the Instagram, here it says thank you for placing the order, I will send you notification about the status of your order, and it says this is the order number, the name, the phone number is not collected, so that's why it's empty. If you want you can actually add that one as well, and here the address I provided along with the date, the payment is cash on delivery, and these are the things I ordered over here. So this is automatically generated over here, and if I open the orders right here, we should see the order should be in our e-commerce module, and as you see here, this is the order I just placed. So here if I click on status is not processed, so click on it, and this is the order. So here if I accept it, let me accept. So let's send this message and click continue. So the order has been accepted, and the customer will be actually receiving this message. As you see, your order has been confirmed. So for example, if the order has been shipped, you can simply add, hey, your order has been shipped now, and if I click continue, the customer will receive the same message as well. The status of your order has been updated, status shipped, and this one they have the option to rate, show my items status. Simple as that. So conclude. So let's say your order has been delivered. Continue. So here you can send order status to the customers saying your order has been delivered, something like that, and it says completed over here. And here in the analytics section you can actually check all the statistics of these orders happening right here. So here analytics, the sales, orders, products, here you have this particular product, 2 sales, and here you can check who has purchased as well. So in this case the customer has actually asked they want to buy the particular product. Suppose if you want to send your e-commerce product list or to your customers, then you can easily do that by using a custom field link over here. So for example, so in our knowledge base, if you scroll down to the advanced, we have this option, how to sell with the web shop. So here if you want to display this sort of window with all your products to the customers, you can do that. For that you have to use this link, shop link, as your button URL. Simple as that. It simply works on all the channels where it support this particular button shop link. So for example, if you go to the flows over here, so we have this flow named as shop link, and here let me add the message, browse products, and they have the option shop here. So this button is linked to this particular variable explained in this guide, so shop link. Simple as that. So let me click save and click publish. Alright, it's now published. So if you want to send this particular flow link to the customer for the demo, I can simply send it right from the inbox as well. So here if you choose this option, send flow, shop link, send it. So the customer should receive this message right here, browse the products and shop here. So if I tap on this button, it should show us all the products we have on the e-commerce. Let me add this one. So let me choose this product over here, and it, as you see here, it simply shows this particular product, and here I can view the images as well. And here you can add your quantities over here, and based on that the price it automatically changes, as you see here. and you can add any sort of descriptions and add to cart over here. And in the cart you can proceed to checkout. And here you can provide all the information right here. Suppose if you want to pick up in the store, you can choose this option right here, and for that it simply asks you for your name and email address. So let me provide a name as George over here and the email as this one. So this order I am placing by using the pickup in store option and pay this one on pickup. So there is no any sort of delivery fees over here, and it says thanks, we have just sent you a receipt. And let's see, name, this particular email, pickup in store, and these are the options, because delivery is 0 because they have choose the option to pick up in the store. And if I go back to the e-commerce over here, we should see the order once again. We can see this order is not processed, and if I open this one, you can accept the order, or without any updates you can accept the order. The customer will receive this sort of message as you see here. The order of the message has been updated. And if you tap on this button and without any message, if you click continue, the customer will receive another update saying updated, shipped. And if it is conclude, that means the order is delivered, and customers will automatically receive a message, order has been completed. And here if we go to the analytics section, we can see the updated sales analytics of your e-commerce. As you see here, the total sales, orders, products, you can see total 5 sales from these 2 products. So that's a quick demo of how our e-commerce tool works. So if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.